guys, how much each? It's 11,800 each of these Arowana. So expensive, guys. I don't know what it is taken at this. Easy payment for 12 months. This one is also R1, but this one is quiet, lower the price. 4,788 each. This one is Arowana, 1,388 each. This one 9,880. It's already 100,000 plus in pesos. Oh my god. Different types of Arowana. This one is 3,188 each. This one is all about Arowana, guys. $4,280. It's already 50,000 in pesos, guys. Different price. This one is 3,900. 3,988. This one is big Arowana. Big already. 4,288. This one 188. No, 2,188 each. Oh my god. Nasa 30,000 plus na sa pesos, guys. For the meantime, guys, ito lang muna bibili ng fry. 168 each. Nasa 4,000 plus na sa kanya, guys. Guys, Arowana really expensive, guys. Okay, guys, 9,888. Nasa 100,000 each, guys. Minsan yan. Ito is 11,888. Ito na lang muna tayo, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.